Okay, good afternoon, good morning, or maybe it's a good night. You're welcome to Rosteria Academy. Today, I want to teach you how to save people's status pictures into your gallery because a lot of people will see my status and be telling me, please send. I don't like that kind of thing. So I want to teach you how you can save people's status into your gallery and you don't need to disturb anybody. Once you see something you like, just go and get it. No wahala. So you need this app here, Save Status. It's on Play Store. Where is my Play Store? Where is my Play Store? Where is my Play Store? Okay, just go to Play Store and click Save Status. Status Saver. Okay, look at it. Status Saver. I think any of them will work. Okay, let me see the one I have. Save status. Oh, really? My own is save status. So just go and this one is status saver. All of them will do the same work. So anyone you get will still do the same work. So let's continue. You will now, what you will do is to go to WhatsApp and let's go to WhatsApp and just go to, let's watch anybody's WhatsApp status and see what is there. Okay, this is something that somebody posted now.
Kde postoupil do druhé.
Okay, this one is a video. So let me just allow it to play. Alright, so these two things I watch now, I want to go and get it and put it in my gallery. Okay, so I'm going to go to this save status. You need to watch the status before you will be able to save it into your gallery. Okay, so I'm going to go there now. We have images, we have videos. So look at it. See this one I watched now. See this, look at it. So I can just click here and it will save. Do I really need this? But I'll just do it for you.